In some rural schools, the summer program got off to a rocky start. We visited schools in St. Mary, Manchester, and St. Thomas. Before Monday's start to the National Summer School program, the Education Ministry said teachers identified 58,000 students who were in need of the initiative. Most of these students were absent from online classes for various reasons. But even as finding these students continued to be a challenge, there seems to be a bigger issue with teachers. At the St. Mary High School, for instance, parents have been complaining about the delay in the start of face-to-face classes. Principal Juliet Fraser-Sadar explained that classes are dependent not only on the number of students, but the number of available teachers.
At this time, while I speak to you, I am aware of only one teacher who has expressed interest in teaching summer school.
She says despite the growing number of parents and students expressing interest in the program, her hands are tied.
It is not mandatory for teachers to teach at summer school. They decide whether they want to teach or not, so we cannot force them.
At Highgate Primary and Junior High, also in St. Mary, Principal Tim Roy Shaw says 120 students have been recommended for the program. However, he says most teachers have declared that they are not available for the summer period. Only 7 teachers there are on board.
Some of our teachers are really tired because this online learning would have really caused our teachers to be extremely tired this time, and also some teachers would have made arrangement to do other things at this time.
At the Manchester High in Mandeville, 5th and 6th form students were present, but they were sitting external examinations. Acting Principal Hilary Morgan says while students are engaged in the online summer program, a number of challenges will hamper face-to-face classes.
The fact that we are engaged in the external exams would limit our ability to engage any large group of students for summer school. What we would need to have in place, though, would be the teachers who would have volunteered for this program, and so far we do not have any teacher volunteer.
Face-to-face classes were postponed until Wednesday in St. Thomas. Attempts to get reasons for the delay from Yallas Primary and other schools were unsuccessful. Education Minister Favour Williams says between Monday and Tuesday, 25,000 students registered for the online platform. She says the ministry is working on improving the face-to-face turnout, both among teachers and students.
About 5,500 tutors have indicated an interest in working in the program. We have been in touch with about 20,000 students to have them know where to go in terms of the face-to-face. And as we progress through this week, we will have better numbers